What's up gamers, Avin Alexa here, and again I'm back with another YouTube video, and this is the gaming test of the PlayerUnknown Battlegrounds aka Pubg on the new Tecno Camon 15 Pro. But before we start, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new here for the support. Now this new beast is a 6.5-inch 1080p display smartphone running Android 10, which is also driven by Helio P35 as the chipset. Again, it comes with a 4000 mAh battery, 6GB of RAM and 228GB of internal storage. Before I started up my test, I had to make sure that the smartphone's 4000 mAh battery was charged up to 100%. And also you should take a note that this was its second charge after its unboxing, so the battery life is still okay and hasn't been used many times. Second thing I did was to turn on airplane mode to make sure that Bluetooth, hotspot or even mobile data are not running. Also, I switched to Wi-Fi network over our home and then opened multiple apps and games like Gerena, Free Fire, Danger Dash and Puzzle Pets, then left them in the background. I did this to see if the smartphone doesn't have lags while switching between multiple apps while playing the game. After I opened Pubg, and then automatically gaming mode was activated, which is so amazing. And here you get to choose between quality, priority, equilibrium mode and smooth gaming. For this time I decided to go for the quality and also increase the smartphone's brightness to 90% since I want to see the full power usage of this beast. The 1080p display looked absolutely beautiful and amazing, as you can see in the video, but the first thing I noticed when I opened the game was that however big the screen and nice looking the display is, the curves in the screen affected my gaming experience while I was playing the game, as it covers some parts of the game, as you can already see and notice on the top left corner of the game. Again, me playing the game, I had no issues as the game was so smooth and the HD display looked amazing. So far, I also tried to switch between apps then come back again to the game. Again, I experienced no issues. So after 3 hours and 23 minutes of non-stop gameplay, the battery was not drained again, as 29% of some juice was still left, which means there is still 1 hour and 40 minutes of more gameplay left for you. Also, I experienced no heating issues at all, which means the smartphone performed very well during my usage. There were no major lags while opening multiple apps, which means games that push the envelope of graphical fidelity can perform and look best on this smartphone. Now, if you wanna know more about the Tecno Camon 15 Pro specs and its actual review, please make sure to check out my other videos where I talk about more about the smartphone. I'm gonna link it in the description box right below. Also, it's gonna appear in the end screens. Also, drop me a like and subscribe. Also, if you have any question, leave down a comment below. I'll be able to answer it personally. And with that said, till next time, bye bye. Catch you guys in the next one.